So hey everyone, today's video is going to be a rather short one. Up on screen you see a program called 3D Vista. This is a program that we've been trying out. We are not experts on it by any stretch of the imagination, but we are learning, and as we're learning, we're sharing it with you in the next two videos. These videos get a little long. So if you're not interested in different types of presentations and deliverables for your clients, go ahead and take a pass on this one and take a pass on the next two videos. Now, if you're looking for different ways to share the images, the 360s, the 3Ds that you have put together for your clients, and you want to give them kind of a cool walkthrough and use some other tools, 3D Vista might be for you. Now, like I said, we're not experts. We've been learning about it, Jodi and I learning about it together. And so we've got two videos that we wanted to put up for you that are the next two upcoming videos to give you an idea of some of the tools in 3D Vista and why it might be worth it to you. Now, just so you know, 3D Vista is not inexpensive. It's several $100s, maybe up to $500 at this point. I did buy it the other year on a Black Friday sale, and we've been sitting on it for a bit. But yes, like I said, the next two videos we're going to walk through some of the beginning stuff that you can do with 3D Vista. Things like highlighting where you're at to get into an interior tour. So in the case of this one, we actually connect our outdoor to our indoor, and there's our linking inside here. So 3D Vista is a great virtual tour application, but it has a lot more. You can include 360 videos, 3D models, floor plans, audio, videos, photos, the panoramas, and you can do some really cool things as you're building these types of tours out. Now, the next two videos go long, and that's us walking through the beginning of working with 3D Vista. I also know I did a survey on my channel, and about half the people are interested, half the folks aren't interested. So if you're not interested in this one, just bypass this and the next two videos, and then we'll get on to talking about some other drone-oriented stuff again, because I think that's what most people come here for. But I think you should broaden your horizons and give yourself other tools to share with your clients to set you apart from your competitors in your area. All right, everyone, I'm hopping off of this. Like I said, I was going to keep this one real short. So with that, we will see you in the next two 3D Vista videos, or we'll see a couple videos down the road. Wish us luck with this one, and I hope that those of you who try it out enjoy it.